Production Assistant from Webcab can be all over your shop or at specific station to cover your need. It is a custom platform. Our different interface has been designed to help users on different workstations. Our specialized team is there to help you finding and implementing the right solutions to cover your needs. Our technology is modular. We can cover needs going to management of inventory, be able to do planning, make sure that you ship everything online, creating real-time packing lists, organizing and sorting components as they go through to the assembly, have 3D visual rendering of what needs to be assembled, real-time labeling on demand for the nesting machine, and be able to group parts as they come out from the machines. Be able to stage components once they're completed and create kits to help for the shipping. Be able to get field information feedback as they finish or delivered the project. To know more about Production Assistant or to schedule a one-on-one with one of our Webcab specialists, give us a call at 1-877-844-4141.